Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Ram 3500 Limited Night Mega Cab in bright white. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, painted front and rear bumpers, dual rear wheels, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, power deployable running boards, trailer reverse guidance, 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJP.com, stock number D6939A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.